Hey everyone, long time no see. I'm finally back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you my apartment here in Saigon or Ho Chi Minh, whichever one you prefer. And I'm going to show you what it is you get for 9.2 million Vietnamese dong. Now, I actually rented this place through Airbnb. I'm only here for 3 nights, but I did ask the owner how much it would cost on a monthly basis, just out of curiosity. And that's what he told me, 9.2 million Vietnamese dong, which is $400 US or $507 Canadian, I think is the number. Plus electricity, which is 4,000 Vietnamese dong per kilowatt hour. Now, 4,000 Vietnamese dong, that's about 18 cents, 17 cents US, I think, somewhere around there, or 23 cents, 22, 23 cents Canadian, something like that. So that is the cost that you would pay if you stayed here long-term on a monthly basis. So let's go through the apartment and show you what you're getting for that money. Okay, so I'm just gonna back up a bit here. You can see the whole back wall is a huge window. But unfortunately, there's no sunlight at all. It is completely obscured by these decorations that are hanging just, a foot and a half away from the window. I'm not sure why they did this exactly. I really don't know. I do know that just beyond these decorations, this decorative wall, there's an alley. So maybe it's to prevent, I don't know, people from the other side of the alley from looking into your apartment or vice versa. But anyway, there is an alley and you will hear motorcycles drive by every once in a while. Luckily, it's not very often, so the noise is not that big of an issue. I'll get back to that in a minute. This chair here is mine, so ignore that. It does come with that office chair, which is reasonably comfortable. A nice big computer desk with lots of space. Looking here, we've got a queen-sized bed, I believe it is. And it's comfortable. I have no issues with it. It's not luxury. It's not, Hilton hotel quality, but it's fine. And I've had absolutely no problem sleeping on this comfortably. So the bed is pretty good. You've got the air conditioner. You've actually got 2, but that one doesn't work with the remote. So I've only actually got this one, which is enough. I don't think you need 2. Maybe in the summertime, I don't know, but right now, 1 is enough. So looking from here, we've got lots of closet space. You've got the kitchen table with 2 chairs. I'm gonna do a close-up on the kitchen in a minute, but right now I'm just gonna look at it from this corner here. You can see there's a small TV, small-ish. It's not very small, but it's also, I feel, not big enough to be watching from back here if you're in bed. And there's no sofa in between, so this is where you would be watching it from. So I think it should be a bit bigger, but it's not a big deal. You got the big sofa there and coffee table. I guess, there's not much view from the sofa. This is what you'd be seeing if you sat here. So, the TV is next to me, behind me. So yeah, I wouldn't use a sofa personally, but I don't know, maybe if you're entertaining guests, you can move these chairs. Anyway, now let's have a better look at the kitchen. It's a pretty decent kitchen. The counter is a decent size. It's not tiny, it's not huge. You've got a double sink, which can be nice if you prefer that. You've got the induction heating. Induction heating, right? IH, is that what it is for? Anyway, it heats up your pots with electromagnetism. You got the rice cooker. You've got a small-ish fridge, but not too small. This is plenty for 1 person. You got the microwave, got a little kettle back there. So yeah, lots of cupboards, lots of cupboard space. So overall, that's what you're getting. This is the apartment right here, just like that. Excuse the mess. I'm moving out in the morning, so I'm packing stuff up. And let's have a look at the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. So standard stuff, sink, toilet, shower. There's no shower curtains, so you do get a little bit of water splashing outwards, but it's not bad. And the shower is a bit tight, I feel. It's not huge. There's not a lot of room to move around and turn around, but it's all right. Water pressure is okay. No problem with it. It's not particularly strong, but it's not super weak either. It's enough. It does the job. And that's it. That is the apartment tour. And this is what you get for $400 US. Now, I have looked and stayed in several places while I've been here for 2 months. So I've got some other video accumulated for that, and I'm going to hopefully at some point soon make some more videos talking about different price levels. So this place here, 9.2 million. So I think I've covered everything. And if I haven't, if I've forgotten anything, please leave a comment in the comments section, or leave a question, I guess I should say. So yeah, feel free to ask. I will do my best to answer you. And that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.